Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we all know that Shopware is one of the most widely used e-commerce platform in Germany. It is an enterprise level platform which is based on the PHP language. There are more than 80,000 users who have installed the Shopware for managing their products. It is an open source e-commerce framework which is growing at a rapid pace with great features like content management, drag drop design, layout, multi-warehouse system. So in this video, I'm going to take you into the workflow of Shopware 6 multi-vendor marketplace module. So basically this Shopware multi-seller marketplace module is like other marketplace modules, is going to transform your Shopware 6 store into a complete marketplace. With this module, any customer can become the seller and sell their products. If the customer is already registered at the store, then he or she can apply for the sellership. The seller can manage seller profile, products, orders. The seller can also see the other seller products and information. The seller can also add product and product variants using this plugin. The seller can view and edit his profile information. He can also view his product list and search, edit or delete products from it. The admin can also manage the product list, seller list, commissions and settings. The admin can edit or delete products, approve, disapprove, assign sellers to the product, and then set separate commission rates for different sellers. The admin can also view the sellers transitions. The admin can set the option to auto approve the seller. The admin can also set the option to auto approve the seller's product. The admin can approve or disapprove a seller or a seller's particular products. Admin can assign a product to any seller and can mass assign products to a seller. Also, the admin can check the seller's product information and can set the commission percentage. The admin can create template based emails for marketplace which will be used according to admin selection. The admin can track the seller's income, total order, total buyers and the latest order using the dashboard field under the edit sellers page. Talking specifically about the sellers features, so multiple sellers can register and upload their products. Separate seller profile will be there, shop logo will be there, then this seller collection page and with the banner image, and then any customer can become a seller can edit their profile information. The seller can add the minimum and maximum purchase quantity while creating a product. Sellers can all sellers product can be edited or deleted by the seller as well as the admin also. So the seller info on the product page will be there, and the seller can add their social network accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta or any other social media accounts which will be visible on their profile page. The public seller profile having all the information about the seller. Then the seller can manage the seller profile, seller product, seller orders, advanced prices, features for the seller products as like it used to happen like for the admin. So with this module, the seller can create simple and variant products. The seller can check other sellers details also. And talking about the code of this module, so it is open source, so you can easily customize it as per your requirements. So before I dive further into the workflow of the module and take you to the demo and showing you the functionality and all the features of this module, before that, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification or update from us. So now let's quickly jump into the workflow of the module.